This animal lives on farms and loves to roll around in the mud. It's medium-sized and has pink skin, although it might look brown when it gets dirty. Its nose is very special, shaped like a round snout, and it uses it to sniff and find food on the ground. It makes a funny sound, oink, oink. You've probably heard it before. This animal has a short tail that curls like a spring. It loves to eat almost anything. It's a big eater. Can you guess what it is yet? It's a pig.